So, Karen, what are you in the mood for today?
I'm in the mood for a little bit of Italy.
And that would be?
Today we're going to have Tuscan chicken in the Burger Kitchen.
That sounds great.
More chicken in the kitchen. And this has one of my all-time favorite ingredients. It's a weird...
Sun-dried tomatoes.
Sun-dried tomatoes. Sometimes I just get a hankering to open a jar and...
Well, it took me a long time to dry out those tomatoes in the sun, so...
Right, so it's
hope you appreciate it.
Got wilted lettuce. It's got some heavy cream.
Spinach.
I'm
Wilted
sorry.
Spinach.
That's what I meant to say, wilted spinach. And the sun-dried tomatoes, cream, Parmesan, and
wow.
Italian.
It's a great combination.
And very simple.
Love the combo.
Yeah.
So
anything creamy, it's up my alley. I love cream sauces.
Let's just check this thing out. Let's check this bad boy out.
Sun-dried tomatoes. You know, it's nice when you just have chicken in your refrigerator and you're looking for something different. I don't know about you, but we tend to default to the same recipes all the time. You know, busy day, coming and going, and we end up having the same thing often. So it's really, really nice to have these recipes that I always have sun-dried tomatoes in my cabinet. I just think it's one of those things that everybody's got in the back of their cabinet somewhere behind the pickles and the olives.
It's the X factor. It gives that extra taste, that kind of salty tomato taste that I love.
And sweet. It's a little
really
sweet.
Good. And there's just we put a lot of sugar in there, right? 0. Keto friendly. It's friendly and
wow.
for keto. Isn't that good?
That's so good. And it's the sun-dried tomatoes.
Oh, yeah.
I think you should check it out.
Check it out.